Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to upload your Google Docs to your iPhone, ensuring you can access them anytime, anywhere. We will cover two straightforward methods to transfer your documents efficiently. First, we will explore using the Google Drive application itself, and then we will delve into saving documents directly to your iPhone's native Files application. Having both applications installed on your device will make this process seamless. Let's get started and make your documents readily available on your phone. To begin, open the Google Drive application on your iPhone. Navigate through your folders to find the specific Google Doc you want to upload. Once located, tap the three-dot menu icon positioned next to the document's title. From the menu that appears, select either Open in or Send a copy. This action will present you with various options for how to handle your document, allowing you to choose the best way to save it to your device or another application. Following the Send a Copy step, you will be prompted to choose a format for your document. Popular choices include a PDF or a Microsoft Word document, ensuring broad compatibility. After selecting your preferred format, a share sheet will appear. Look for and tap the Save to Files option. This will open your iPhone's Files application, where you can then select a specific folder, such as on My iPhone or Downloads, to store your document securely. This makes it easily retrievable later. Now that you have saved your document, open the native Files application on your iPhone. Navigate to the specific folder where you chose to save your Google Doc. You will find your document there, now locally stored and fully accessible on your device. This means you can view it, share it with others, or even make edits using compatible applications, all without needing an internet connection. Congratulations! Your Google Doc is now successfully uploaded to your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.